Hi, I'm Tyler at TANDEMKROSS. So recently, when I was at my local gun shop, I picked up an antique 22 rifle here, so let's come take a look at it. So this here is a Marlin Model 29, chambered in 22. They were only made during around the 19-teens. I haven't been able to find too much info about it online, which makes this a really interesting piece to have found. So the first interesting bit about this gun here is that it has a tube magazine, and these old guns, they can chamber 22 short, long, and the more popular today, 22 long rifle. It fits about 10 or 11 22 long rifle here. So you just load up into the tube like so, and that ought to do it. And then the magazine tube slips down over the top of it, and then you're good to go. Doesn't that just sound awesome? All right, we got one more, it looks like. So it's a little sticky. And we're out. So, as you can see, she's a little old, she needs a little bit of work, but so far, I think it's a pretty cool find. Now to show you the most interesting feature of it, as I put it on the safe, you can see it's a neat little takedown feature right here. So this bolt comes out, the gun comes in half. Makes it real easy to put it in a pack, have some good fun shooting.